Hi there, and welcome to the Good Hope Hiker channel. Cecilia has two very popular moderate level hikes for families. The one is to Angela's Lookout, which I've named due to a memorial stone that was placed there. And the other is to a waterfall located in Cecilia Ravine. In this video, I'll be covering the memorial stone walk. Cecilia is a section of the Table Mountain National Park on the lower eastern slopes of Table Mountain, of which the Khoisan were the first inhabitants of the area. Cecilia was named after Cecil John Rhodes, who owned the land at one point. Colonists, such as Rhodes, often wanted to change the Cape landscape to make it more resemble that of Europe. This was done through clearing of indigenous fynbos and Afro-temperate forests, combined with wholesale replanting of much of the Cape Peninsula with European trees such as oaks, birches and pines, and also then introducing European species such as deer and starling birds. The natural ecosystem of the area is peninsular granite fynbos, a critically endangered vegetation type that occurs nowhere else in the world. Mature peninsular granite fynbos is dominated by large tree proteas such as silver tree, pincushion and varboom. Also underlying are dense species of daisy. The rocky scree slopes are home to indigenous trees such as ironwood, eysterhout, hichelari, camphor and candlewood trees. The primary threat to this ecosystem is invasive alien plants such as European pines and Australian Port Jackson. The Lookout hike is a 5-kilometer route from the car park and back again. You will find all the GPS coordinates in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of our next video.